What is that, Kim?
A new car for me. I can open the doors.
Kimberly, do you know who bought it for you?
Uncle Ken did.
Can you look up and say thank you, Uncle Ken?
Thank you, Uncle Ken. I can open
Wait, look at the camera, Kim. Say thank you, Uncle Ken.
Thank you, Uncle Ken. I can open this door.
Or Daddy has...
Turn the wheel. Go that way. When you want to go that way, turn. Now step on the gas.
And there's her little cast wrapped up.
There you go.
Now step on the gas.
No, keep it forward. Keep it forward.
Push it forward. There you go.
Now why don't you drive over here by this palm tree?
Just keep going forward.
Drive over here. Come on, drive. Here's the wheel.
Put it forward.
Keep it forward. Do not move that.
That looks like Mama learning how to drive a stick.
Yeah, that was cool.
Go, drive. Step on the gas. Keep driving. Step on the gas. Keep going. Keep your foot on. Keep driving. Keep your foot on it.
Keep going. There you go. Keep going. Keep coming towards Mommy. Keep going, Kim.
This way. Turn the car this way.
Turn the wheel that way.
No, this way.
The other way.
You know,
That
step
way.
on the gas. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Now drive over here. Come on.
Turn the wheel this way. Towards Mama. There you go. Keep going. Step on the gas.
Stop.
Boom. Look at it go. Daisy, better move.
Baby, better move.
Boom.
Stop.
Now,
It's doing work. You just want to step on the gas. Step on the gas. Turn the wheel to drive.
Ooh, it's cold out.
Too close to Mommy.
It's alright. It's cold outside.
Keep your foot on that pedal. That's your job. And if you get too close to something, then you let off to stop. She'll get the hang of it.
Yeah, oh yeah. Turn the wheel.
She picked it up faster.
Turn the wheel towards Mama. There you go. That's it. Okay. Turn the wheel that way a little. There you go. Now turn the